As with our emotional systems, it seems that our bodies play a significant role in mediating how we respond to others. In fact, our bodies seem to dictate to our brain how dominant we are. In several classic studies performed by Cuddy's research group and since replicated by several others, participants were randomly assigned to three experimental groups. One group spent several minutes standing in a power pose. A second experimental group adopted a non-dominant pose, shoulders hunched, legs and arms crossed, head down. A third experimental group did neither. After spending several minutes in one of these three pose conditions, participants were then placed in a stressful situation. Those in the power pose condition performed better than the non-dominant posers. A second effect, however, was even more striking. After completing the stressful task, the participants provided a saliva sample. The experimenters found that the power posers had lower concentrations of cortisol, a stress-related hormone. Power posers also had greater concentrations of testosterone, a hormone strongly associated with confident, dominant performance.